Welcome, kids! Today, we are going to learn ABCD with fun and colors. Look, the magic alphabet book is opening. Let's see what's inside. A is for apple. A, apple. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for dog. D, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for giraffe. G, giraffe. H is for horse. H, horse. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. J is for jelly. J, jelly. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. L is for lion. L, lion. M is for monkey. M, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. O is for orange. O, orange. P is for penguin. P, penguin. Q is for queen. Q, queen. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. S is for snake. S, snake. T is for tiger. T, tiger. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. V is for vase. V, vase. W is for whale. W, whale. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Hooray! We learned A to Z together. Great job, kids! See you next time. Bye-bye, kids!